Tell me again. Lovers and friends. Oh, it's a good look, baby. It's a really good look.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing stiffwear Miss Thing, getting to her. If you're new here, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun. Please make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, like, comment, and join this synthetic wave. Been here, you already know what we're about to do. Let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. You can watch me put her all the way together, and yeah, I'll go about giving you all her sneaky deaky details at the end of this video. Alright folks, let's go. Alright folks, so let's get into this install. This is how Miss Thing is looking after I customized her. I puffed her a little bit and used a little bit of heat to flatten her down, and here I'm just adding a little bit of my makeup and trying her on. Now the reason why I'm in my room was because I was actually been watching the series forever, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I did not want to miss a thing. I really enjoyed watching this movie. It was a real good feel-good movie. I know there were a lot of mixed reviews on this movie, but it was good to me. And this part right here, I don't know why TV, movies, all that make it seem like losing your virginity is so romantic, because it wasn't for me. But don't get me wrong, I lost it the way on my terms with a really good friend, so there was no pressure or nothing, but it wasn't as romantic as how they do it on the TVs and movie screens. I'm just saying that ish was painful. TMI, TMI. Oh my god, TMI. I'm doing too much. Okay, let's get back to the hair. Y'all do let me know in the comments below if you have seen the series forever or not, because I thought it was actually really good. Y'all let me know. Alright, so let's get back to installing this hair. Like I said, I pre-customized this a little bit by plucking the hairline, and I'm going to use this Kiss Color Lace Bond adhesive. Now this bad boy has a whole of, it goes up to level 9, and she is no joke. I literally like her and can't stand her at the same time. If you really need a strong hold and you're going to be out all day, I feel like she's the GOAT. It's just the install I'm still having an issue with, so I literally had to go about taking this wig off again, because she glued down like my whole hairline was like stuck down, and I had to wash it off and start all over again, which you will see in this video, how I have like 2 different shirts on. But yeah, I had to go about doing the install all over again. But she is a really strong hold if you're looking for that long lasting, like I need this wig to stay type of thing. Kiss is the one to get. I just honestly need to switch up my install routine. Maybe spray the lace on my forehead first and not on the actual hair, so it won't stick to my forehead the way it was doing. Okay, so let me just fast forward the rest of this video, and you can go ahead and just watch this install. Alright folks, see you at the outro. the way together, let me go about giving you her details. Now, I got Miss Thing from wigtypes.com. It's either Wig Tops or Sam Beauty. I'm going to link her description down below. She's an Outre wig from the Melted Hairline collection, and her name is KIANI, K-I-A-N-I. And I got her in the color DR Havana Brown. And she's a 12-inch bob wig. Perfect for the summer. Summer, is that you? So if you know anything about Outre, if you know anything about Outre, their melted hairline and their perfect hairline, chef's kiss. Love it. Never have a problem. No, I've never had a problem with them, and they are really good wigs to have in your collection. So let me go ahead and read off this stock card. It has soft HD transparent lace. She has 5-inch deep parting space, completely pre-plucked hairline, sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, natural baby hairs, and she's a comfort fit ear-to-ear contour lace wig. All that being said, melted hairline lets you show off these edges or those edges. Go ahead and slick your hair back, tuck behind your ear, and swoop the natural looking baby hairs. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Melted hairline has ear-to-ear soft HD transparent lace, a pre-attached elastic band, which I had mentioned, to ensure a secure lift-free fit, and is pre-plucked to create a natural finish that melts right into your hairline. And she ain't never lied about that. Outre. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. She does come in an array of beautiful colors like DR Havana Brown, Honey Blonde, Chocolate Toffee, Golden Amber, Red Velvet, and Ginger Brown. Like I said, this wig is perfect for the summer. She's cute. She's not too much on your neck. You can put her on and go. Now that I have her already somewhat customized to my forehead, it won't take me a lot to put her on and just go. And she has an elastic band, so you can probably wear her glueless as well. It didn't say glueless, but you could probably wear her glueless as well. This is what the stock card is looking like. And she is true to form. Okay. Okay. I did go about plucking her some more. So she is, I want to say she's big head friendly. She is big head friendly. She comes with the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable elastic band. She is big head friendly, like I said. She did shed a little bit. I had to take my shears and cut off some of the hair. Did she tangle? She's not one of those wigs that's gonna tangle because she's a short little bob. So she probably won't tangle, but she did shed, and I did do some plucking, so that might be the reason. But even after I brushed out most of the hair, some hair was still coming out, and I had to cut that. Let me turn around and show you what she looks like in the back. Okay. Super duper cute. You can go ahead and tuck behind your ears. Oh my God, like she is a cute, come on now, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Oh, who that girl? Who that girl? This wig is so cute. Not versatile, so you can only do the middle part, but she is a cute everyday wig. I love this wig. I'm not even gonna lie. If I had to rate her, I'd probably give her an 8, a solid 8. And not really because she don't look like a 10, but because she's not versatile. The middle part is all you get. You can't flip her, you can't do any of those things. So maybe if I could, flip or do a little something, I would. I did do the baby hairs. And y'all know how I feel about baby hairs, but I went ahead and did it because it seems like, alright, so I don't know if y'all know, but I actually work in a school, and the girls in the school now, baby hairs are all the rave. I mean, like, every little girl every big girl, every middle-aged girl, everyone got baby hair. So I was like, you know what, in this wig, I'm feeling to see if I could go ahead and fit in. I might not be able to do it in the elementary school, but maybe in a high school, your girl can. Nah, I'm still giving substitute teacher vibes. Anyway, let me know in the comments below what you think of this wig. Is she perfect for the summer, yeah, or nah? I really like the color. This Havana Brown is adorable. She comes off with dark roots first and then goes into the brown, which is chef's kiss, and she melted really, really well. So you can't go wrong with having a bob wig like this in your collection. Cannot. If you happen to like what you see in this video, guys, please give this one a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers. Go girl, you go girl, you go girl. It's taking a while for me to get to like my actual goal, but slow and steady wins the race, and I'm not competing with nobody. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So don't forget to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me, and I will go ahead and see you in my next video. All right, folks, thank you so very much. I love you guys. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.